Alright guys, it's time. I can't remember how many years ago it was that I made this desk organiser. I'll put it up on the screen once I research it. But as you can see here, it's starting to come apart because I'm putting things in there that shouldn't go in there. I've got duplicate of a lot of things, so what I want to do is, and so I still haven't got enough room for everything, but having said that, I can reduce it. But what I do want is, I don't want to get rid of everything that's in there. I want to tuck it away, so I'm going to make a few more drawers so that they'll fit in there, those things that I don't usually use on a day-to-day basis. Now, I also want to incorporate my tape holder. Tape and dimensional tape and masking tape and all that. So I want to incorporate that into it as well. And probably even make a space for my ATG to slot into. And what else? Oh, and I also, this is invaluable. So this is, that holds all my go-to pens and pencils and markers that I absolutely use on a daily basis. I don't use the other one that's over here, so I think I will only have one. So there's the other one over here. What's in the drawers? A lot of crap that I can go through and sort out, and know what I have even in that one. And then in this one I've got all my bulldog clips. So this is handy. I like to use this a lot. So this is definitely going to be in there, and that one, and I'll probably put another 2 or 4 more drawers in there. So this is going, oh, can't even get it out. So yeah, I think I'm going to organise it so it has slots for every type of thing. So I've got a couple of these, well, if you count these, and got another one here somewhere, oh no, not the Prima one, but that one. I've got another couple, I know I do. Who knows where in this place. And you'll notice I've got a fork in there. Well, that's for my bow making. So it stays in there. That doesn't necessarily have to be in there, but it probably is handy sometimes, just a little brayer. I've got a screwdriver. Goodness knows why I've got that in there. I've got it there for a reason. Anyway, so, and even down to a little pin that I can use to unclog my glue and things. So, like picks, I've got goodness knows how many picks. I've got goodness knows how many styluses I have. You know, so I've got to condense it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to sit down, measure a few things and decide on what I need, and then put it all together, I guess. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be back soon to start on it. Thanks guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I've taken everything out. I've listed all the glues that I have and things that I set in there, and there's a lot, plus their sizes. Take all this crap out, and now I need to go through that and see what exactly I absolutely must have in there, and find places for the other stuff that doesn't need to be in there on a daily basis. Now the ATG is 9 inches deep if you count the actual roller on the end of it where the tape goes. So This unit is 21 inches wide by 4.5 inches deep. So I want it to come out only about 6 inches deep. And so I don't mind the ATG sitting on the end, but I still want to have a slot for it so it's secure and doesn't fall over. So now I've got to go through all this stuff and see what I want to keep and want to put in the organiser. So I'll be back soon. Alright, I've whittled it down. I've whittled the glue container down. So I do want to put my score tape and glue runner and masking tape and dimensionals in this unit, and probably on one of the ends. I'm going to have 3 of these size drawers on the bottom. Yeah, 3 of those size drawers. Maybe not. Maybe I need to put the 2 big ones on the bottom because they've got the weight in them. Even though I'll put spaces in there for the weight, extra chipboard. So I've got 2 original of those. They'll stay as is with the contents the same. And then I want to draw for my files and sanders and extra bone folders and just a couple of little odds and ends. And one of them I need for the scissors that I don't use regularly, my little hammer, my pokey tools that I don't use, and like that one, the texture tool one, and pokey tool, and other ones that I don't usually use regularly, and craft knives and styluses that I don't use regularly. Got a crocheting hook there too. And then these here will go in the hole slot, and then these will sit at the back like they were before. So everything that's too big to go in a drawer or that I need all the time. So I'm now going to, I think it's going to end up being about 24 inches long by 6 inches deep. So I'm going to put 2 large drawers on the bottom and 3 on top of that, and then the containers. And I think they're going to be, that section there, I think I'm going to make about 18 inches long with 6-inch sections. So that should fit all my glues in there and these things here. Now I'm thinking maybe I put my ATG on that end, and then on this end I could do something for my glues. I don't know yet. I'm going to work it out as I go. So what I'll do first is I'll make the drawers and then go from there. I think I'm going to have to make more of these because they're fairly worn, although these ones aren't, so I might use those ones. I think I have a video on how I made those, and I'll link that in the description below, how I made the first desk organiser. So now we've got to get to it. Alright, I'll be back starting with the drawers.